And even the person they really thought that was with them was Wamatangi. When they came to discover Wamatangi was not even with them, he mobilized people to come and eat money. They had to lock him in because that was the greatest betrayal.
And graft charges.
Yes, the graft charges. They locked him because the money that was kept in the house was part of the money that was given to go and distribute. So they were going for their money. So that is a scenario that Raila is doing. Raila assignment is to make sure Ruto does not sit down to plan. And they did it from inside. Because they all came, the panelists, the experts in their camp. Because it is no longer the Raila Uhuru doing the planning part. The planning part is not organized from Kenya. The planning part is organized from New York. The people who are running the show. They have even, you remember the other day, Martin contracted a company, a PR company.
I remember.
To make him, to run him. Who paid for the entire project? It was paid, but it's a project. Money has been placed somewhere. This is the money that you're going to use. We know this, they know. Uhuru knows that Raila is deep-pocketed, and the Uhuru, they have money, and the Mois, they have money. So Ruto knows even if he says that he's going to use money to buy people, these are the guys, they have money to buy people. So that one is well known. So what they didn't go for jargonism of doing those combatant politics, but inside destructive politics, destroying the house from inside, while Uhuru organizing the other house from outside.